the cells are clumped all together. But when they took our product complete, after 15 minutes, the cells are moving, they're active, and they're properly spaced, and the shape of the cells are very, very healthy as compared to prior to taking our product. So it's not psychological, it's something physiologic that has changed their mechanism and their cellular functioning because of the product. Again, they haven't felt anything when they took the product, but they were able to lift up Ma'am Beth after taking it. It only means, when you take our product, if you're not feeling anything, it's okay. Why? There's something good happening inside your body. There's some sort of healing, some sort of energizing, some sort of electricity or current or some sort of healing going on that we cannot explain, that you cannot feel right away. But down to your cellular level, there's already an effect at that level. So their office, again, is in International Plaza, across Tanjung Pagar, near Tanjung Pagar, level 25, unit 17. They're open Monday to Sunday, meaning every day. When I say open, you can buy the products, you can buy marketing materials, you can buy CD, you can transact anything in behalf of the company. They're the one handling it. Every day, Monday to Sunday, from 1 p.m. to 11 p.m. And then they have mini presentations like this. Fast presentation, 45 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes presentation, demonstration like this as well. Monday to Friday, 7:30 p.m. and 9 p.m. Okay? 7:30 in the evening and 9 in the evening, Monday to Friday. And then every Saturday, wherein most of you are free, they have 3 presentations. 2 o'clock, 4 p.m. and 6 o'clock. 2 p.m., 4 p.m., 6 p.m. every Saturday. And Sunday, wow. Saturday and Sunday. So these guys are very, very serious. They want to retire within 2 years. They want to buy their company in 2 years. They want to fire their boss in 2 years' time or even less. As company support, okay, the goal of the company is to have great momentum here in Singapore. What we're going to try to do is, on a regular basis, say every month, we're going to send someone here to do a big presentation. Is it okay? Yeah. Every now and then, some of the owners, some of the training officers and training managers of the company will be sending here. Some of the leaders will be sending them here so that we can do a big presentation like this. And then the goal is for us to have 800 members. If we have 800 members here in Singapore, registered Singaporean members, okay, what we're gonna do is we're gonna officially launch. So this is not an official launching yet. This is just a pre-launching, pre-marketing presentation. If we have 800 registered members in Singapore, we're gonna do a very, very big presentation. I'm gonna bring in some celebrities from the Philippines. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna do a local band here to sing with us, and then it's gonna be a great event, official launching of the Singapore market. So we hope and we pray that by the time we reach the millionaires mark, meaning the time that we have already 10, 20, 30 millionaires here in Singapore, it will be someone from your group, someone in this audience, who's going to be the next millionaire here in Singapore. Is that great? And we highly suggest invite your friends, your Filipino friends, your Singaporean friends, your Indian friends, your Malay friends, to take a look at this opportunity. Who knows? There may be also the one who can break the market in the Chinese community, in the Malay community, in the Indian community. Try to invite them, because there are some foreigners, there are some Singaporeans, Malaysians, and Indians who are also going to be interested with this opportunity. And they also would want to have a part-time income or an opportunity like this where you can pioneer not only in a certain country, but pioneer not only in a certain region, but pioneer throughout the world, because our international infrastructure is already made. That note, thank you very much. God bless each and every one of us. Let's hope for the best, and I want to see all of your dreams become a reality with this opportunity called Alliance in Motion Global Corporate. Thank you very much.
Procrastinating now will cost you later, so take action today. This is what you've been waiting for, so don't hesitate. Act now.